Magnet fresh, Labubu!
You can scold me. I can teach you. Ah, la la boo boo, la 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 poo poo.
Air dry clay. So let's start it, guys. Remember, when you use air dry clay, always wrap in some plastic bag because it gets dry very quickly. This is a magnet. You need a magnet, guys, because we're doing wedge magnet. So let's start sculpt the ball and make sure to put the magnet, and on top of that we're gonna put air dry clay. Always remember, use the water if you need it, but try to not put too much water. I'm using water here, guys. As you can see, the clay getting a little bit dryish, and for sticking properly you need to use a little bit of water. Make sure to attach the ears very properly because we don't want the ears fall off. Is nearly ready, and we leave it our Labubu for 2-3 days to dry. So this is dry. Now make sure to check everything. It should be properly dry. I left mine, it's about for 2 days. It's up to you how to do it, but it's better if you dry properly. So guys, I'm using acrylic paint, and make sure to no rush, just carefully paint, and after painting you let it dry for maybe 1 hour. If you want, you can use a UV resin gel, or you don't want to, you don't have to, you know. You can just stick it like that, it's okay.